World Championship 110-meter hurdle silver medalist Orlando Bennett remembers all too well getting ready to call time on his career, but having a good support system around him helped him stay in the sport.
I've actually thought about giving up quite some time, but my friends at races, they'll be like, no, one more season. I'm like, bro, I've been trying one more season from 2019, you get what I'm saying? So Watson, Oblique, Bovell, even Coach Mills, he's one of the big factors why I keep pushing. My coach Craig Sewell, my family, mom, dad, sister, my fiance, everybody just keep on motivating me, and I'm like, all right, I'm tired, but let's try again.
Things started to shift around in 2024, and he came to the fore in a major way at the national championships.
My best right now is 13:08, and those at least best is 12:09, on their best day, and to be able to run and actually compete with them at the trials. And first of all, I look up to Parchment, he's my mentor, and going against him is just an honor to me, and seeing that I'm actually able to go against these 6'4", 6'3" athletes, and I'm 6 flat, I'm okay, then it's not really about height, it's about who can get to the line first.
Bennett noted his confidence received a major boost.
Basically, understanding the sport more, me and my coach getting a greater understanding, getting faster, stronger, and running faster times more consistently. So, the result of that was finals. Was aiming for the podium at that time, but, wasn't my time.
And heading to the Olympics.
Going into Paris, it was just hunger and determination. I've been doing this for so many years, and I've been walking through so many tunnels, crying and in disappointment, just wondering when will be my time. So it's just basically the pot just bubble over, and I just say, all right, I'm tired. We just need to get some accomplishment.
Now the following season, the 2018 World Under-20 silver medalist started competing more.
And in 2025, more races on the circuit, Diamond Leagues. So it's like cooking, you fry the plant the first time, it burns, you have to take it out quicker. Most of what you guys saw at Worlds, I accomplished through training and not racing. So that was I would say a big gamble, but I mean, you've been doing this for so many years, you just get used to doing the impossible.
However, before making it onto the podium in Tokyo, there was some misadventure in his semi-finals.
Had a little mishap in the semis. A lot of people didn't know about. Me and the Spanish athlete was fighting basically throughout the race because he was hitting me from the start. Yeah, so that was a bit shaky, and then finals I just ran with my all. Here I am.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.